In the brain, neurons constantly send and receive messages using chemicals called neurotransmitters. One of the most important neurotransmitters for calming the brain is GABA, or gamma-aminobutyric acid. Under normal conditions, when a neuron releases GABA into the synapse, it binds to GABA A receptors on the next neuron's membrane. There are three different types of GABA receptors, but today I want to be focusing on the GABA A receptor, as it's the one that alcohol affects the most. When GABA binds, these receptors open channels that let chloride ions flow into the neuron. This makes the inside of the neuron more negative, a state called hyperpolarization, which inhibits it from firing. When alcohol enters the brain, it doesn't just float around. It binds to GABA A receptors and changes how they behave. Alcohol acts as a positive allosteric modulator. It doesn't activate the receptor on its own, but when GABA is present, alcohol makes the receptor much more responsive. This means that more chloride ions flow in than intended, and the neuron becomes even more inhibited. The result? A stronger inhibitory signal throughout the brain. That's why alcohol causes slowed reaction time, drowsiness, impaired coordination, and reduced anxiety. It's like turning down the volume on brain activity. With chronic alcohol use, the brain adjusts. It might reduce the number of GABA receptors on the neurons, or make them less sensitive. This is what leads to tolerance and withdrawal symptoms when alcohol use stops.